Hi there, I'm Tim Hawes from the locals at Ray White Kingsland, and welcome to 2 Bar 57A Mountain View Road in the lovely suburb of Western Springs. This 2-bedroom upstairs unit is going to be a great start for someone looking to buy their first slice of real estate on the city fringe. Let's go check it out. Recently updated with fresh paint, this unit is ready to go. The bedrooms are both great sized doubles with inbuilt wardrobing, so your accommodation needs are taken care of, and the large bathroom has an inbuilt bath ready for families. The central location needs no introduction, and the strong community connections and great neighbours are a real highlight of calling this special place home. We're zoned for both Mags and Western Springs College, along with Mount Albert Primary and Kowhai Intermediate. You'll have no concerns with schooling from start to finish. Kingsland and Greyland villages are only minutes away, where you're spoilt for choice. Wine, dine and shop to your heart and stomach's content. With easy access to motorways, public transport and the city cycle path are additional reasons that this is such a great place. There are so many reasons to love this location, and we know that it's going to be popular. Don't delay, book an inspection or come along on the weekend to an open home.